This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Also, gardening fantastic, you guys probably, some of you might remember this propagated plant. It's gotten a little taller. They're taking root, but I gotta give it a little bit more time before it start, taking good strong hold of new roots, and then I'll show one of the roots, see what it will experience that together. I'll show what the roots are looking like. This is the watch chain propagated plant. Yeah, now let me get to some more good stuff. This might be a little long video because I would like to share a couple of my gardening friends. They sent me some seeds. And so I'm gonna share with you guys the seeds. My friend Patricia, her channel. Well, you know what? I don't have a community tab to shout them out in, but I guess I have to write their names, both of their names, in the comment section. I guess that you guys can go there and check them out, subscribe, give them thumbs up, tell them that I sent you over there. They'll love to have you, and they will definitely support you. I'm not going to try and send you friends that will not come and visit your channel. All the people I will send you hopefully will, because they do support my channel. She sent me a whole bunch of seeds. Look at this: lettuce, black seed, Simpson. I can't really see because of I think it's lettuce, black seeded Simpson. She sent me lettuce seeds. Now that's gonna be a miracle if I get those to stay alive. Thank you, Patricia, for the seeds. Shout out to Patricia and her channel. Y'all going over there, like I said, and subscribe, support her. She is trying to get monetized. I know she is, because her channel is steady growing. And I want you guys to help her out, get there, because she has great content. And so does my other gardening friend, Susie. Suffolk. Y'all see her name in the comment section. Y'all going over there and support both of these beautiful women gardeners. Okay, Patricia also sent me some sweet pepper Keystone resistant giant seeds. So I got that. And then she sent me some tomato rudders. I don't know what tomato rudders are, but I guess it's gonna be a tomato. Is that the what do you call them? The ones, is that the low budget tomatoes? I don't know what, it sounds like a tomato rudders. I don't know. Forgive my ignorance, but thank you very much. So that's 3. And she also sent me some cilantro seeds. Wait, I gotta put a few of them up here so we can, because I gotta share the seeds. Susie sent me. Oh, she got me some. This is mustard. I mean, this is collard. That might be collard greens, I think. I'm gonna try that. Spinach. And let's see what else. Ooh, hold up, y'all. It's getting a Charlie horse in my wrist. Because Miss Janita hasn't gotten that tripod yet. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I put them up there like that. Now, she sent me, excuse me, guys. Hold on one second. She sent me the one on the end, all the look like BBs. That's the collard greens on the end. Cherry tomato seeds. Swiss chard seeds, tomato beefsteak seeds, spinach seeds, mustard Florida seeds. Look at those mustard seeds. And cilantro. I like cilantro. I'm gonna hurry up and grow me some cilantro. I love cilantro. Put that on tacos. Thank you so much, Patricia. I love it. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate all these seeds. So I have like, what, y'all? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excuse me. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To Patricia, thank you very much. This is a lot of seeds. Hopefully, I can grow them, and I need to get me one of those organizers. I think I seen it on Susie's channel. She put her seeds in an organized box. So much to learn, y'all. I would never thought about all that. I just had my seeds just threw around in an old plastic bag. But yeah, you could get organized with your seeds. Guess they need to be rotated, decluttered, and all that good stuff too. But I'm gonna get me a tray to put my seeds in. Thank you so much, Patricia, for all these lovely, beautiful seeds. And I'm going to try my best to grow and don't kill the little seedlings before they mature to some food and grow into food. I love it. Thank you. Now, hold on, you guys. I'm going to share with you Susie, my gift from Susie, the seeds that Susie gifted me with. Hold on. Okay, Gardening Fantastics. These, this right here, excuse me, this right, oh, come on now. This right here is some celery seeds that my YT friend Susie sent me. And celery Utah tall, Baker green heirloom seeds. So thank you so much, Susie. I appreciate this very much. Look like on the picture is celery and they have it sitting in a jar. That look like a jar, huh? Like they're propagating it or something. But maybe it's growing out of the jar. I don't know. But anyway, I'm about to put these in some dirt. And we'll see what happens. So I'm about to plant some collard seeds and some cilantro and some of these celery seeds. And we're going to see what happens, everybody. Thank you very much, Susie. Y'all go ahead on over there and subscribe to Susie's channel. Are their names? Susie and Patricia's name will be in the comments section. Click on the link. It'll take you right to their channel. Please subscribe to them. Tell them I sent you over there. And don't forget to get them thumbs up. Don't forget to click on their notification bell so that you guys can keep up with their latest videos. And believe me, I'm sending y'all to 2 beautiful channels. So please support them. And hopefully you stay supporting. Don't let one side just do all the work, meaning one person just come do the visiting and the supporting. Please, each other, support each other. All right, I'm going to end this video. I guess, I don't know. Let me go ahead on and put the seeds in some dirt. And hold on, you guys. I'll be back. Let me get myself set up. And then I'll show you I have planted. And I do have some markers this time. Yay. Hold on. Thanks for your time and support.